I was going through the ideas. I was like, I need a challenge video. I want to do a challenge video. I think I've settled on a topic, and it's going to be twofold because I told you I'm gonna play Germany at some point, German ground. I told you I'm gonna do it. This is how we are going to do our very own fresh new idea that nobody's ever done before: the reserve to top tier challenge. So firstly, we're gonna start with a reserve tier tank. Then we're going to move to a tank in the 1.0 to 2.0 range. Then we're going to go to a 2.0 to 3.0 range, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, and so on until we get to 12.7 with the Leopard 2. Now, in order to move up to the next tier, I have to kill 2 tanks. If I die in my vehicle, I go down a tier. First today, we're going to take out the Panzer 3B, I think is what I've decided. Hopefully get a couple kills and get going. Oh yeah, there's one. One of 2, brother, one of 2. I wanna die. Oh, an LVT. What in the crispy chicken is that? I can hear him. What the hell? What the even is that? All right, we got our second vehicle of the day, the Panzer IV F1. The left. Oh, hello. There's a guy out to our left. Yeah. Okay. Running. Oh, brother. Okay. All right. Next tank is the Sta 42. Oh, this could be a tight spot. Wait for it. There we go. Man, that drop off is crazy. All right, N3 gun carrier. We'll just kind of wait for him here. There we go. All right, we got our 2. That's cool. Oh. Whoa. Naturally, that means we have to take out the Puma. Ooh, brother. I just put one over his head. There we go. Okay, we got one. Okay, we got shot in the turret by another chap. We got a critical. Everybody in his turret's dead. I am locked the hell in. Oh, there's the second. Okay, perfect. He's not even paying attention. I picked another goofy one. I picked the Hetzer back. Oh my goodness, what the hell? Oh my god, it's a fucking Sherman. Alright, if he goes that way, it'll be super easy for us to get our second kill. Here we go. Awesome. Now we're gonna drive forward because that Sherman doesn't see us yet. Oh, brother. Oh, brother, get rocked. There they come. Which is the more dangerous one? Probably you. Okay. Hey, Stug? You mind helping a brother out? I mean, like, no way. Okay, alright. Cool. It didn't even make the shoot. Oh my god, it hit the ground and went up the top side. I mean, come on. It was really the only right thing to do. You all knew that this was coming. Critical hit. Ow. Oh my days. There's that kill assist. There we go. It's just like kicking toys out of a kid's hands. Oh yeah. Wow. Sure I don't get shot in the side. Critical. No, I wasn't. It's a T-34. Push out in front. Nice. I want you guys, like before, to understand that this was the obvious choice, just in case. Oh, what the hell? Oh my god. Why the hell did he machine gun me? There we go. Okay, right through the lower plate. That's exactly what we needed to do. We just have to replay it again. Oh. Want to be the first one in, but I'm gonna, you can't see. It sounds like a Hellcat. Yep, was a Hellcat. There's the second one. There's a... Alright. German Jumbo? Yeah. So. This is the most pressing thing I want to deal with. I am not looking forward to this shit, dude. We've learned our lesson there. We are no longer going to use Tiger 2's. Oh, yes. PT-76? Alright. I can't take my chances with these up twos. 6.7 is like a really weird battle rating where you can get up tiered into 7.0 territory, which is kind of dangerous. Unless he comes out right here. I will. There we go. That's exactly why we bring Heat FS, man. Nice. Say it with me now. Waiting for that best shot opportunity. Maybe I should have gone for the cannon breach there. Did he just shoot?
Blah, blah, blah.
Alright, yeah, he did it. Oh, yeah. Again, Heat FS. My rear. Do not need to get caught. Alright, we have entered the territory of post-World War II vehicles, and I've taken it to the extreme by snagging the most modern tank at 7.7, which is the Panzerhaubitze. Oh, AML 90. Go ahead, re-peek it.
Oh my god.
What the hell? Oh! I'm gonna keep shooting until I can get him. Got one. We got him too. Right, now we're in the realm of modern tanks. 8.0 to 9.0. If we don't shoot him right in the spot. So he pays no mind to us. The Lion doesn't concern himself with matters of the I'm getting shot in the f***ing back. What the f***? Oh, getting killed in the M48 got through me. Jeez, he's at my front. Oh my days, it was an XM800. That could have been so horrendous. Oh! Oh, wow. What a map. Rushing the enemy spawn is like seeing how touch-starved you are. Brother, just Jay out. Oh. Give me your soul. Okay, 99.
Oh. Knows where it.
I haven't played the KPZ-70 in, I honestly want to say, years. There we go, there's one standing. Did I just kill a f***ing Panzerhaubitze? Oh! The guy right in front of me. Oh my god, he has a gunner still. I'm gonna reload first. Eeez, that's so insane. Wow. The moment I look away, right? This game, I want to get off. Well, it was necessary, I think. He hit me with heat, too. Oh, yeah. I am War Thundered out, and I've been War Thundered out. Yes. You're rocked. I am going to demolish your whole f***ing team from over here. We're not doing the flanking thing, boss. Yeah, none of that. None of that either, bro. Oh, and we've been ammo wrecked. Wow. I cannot believe what is happening right now. Well, I hope you all enjoyed the bottom to top tier challenge. I am exhausted. I don't ever want to do this bullshit again. That being said, if you guys want and if you like the video enough and watch it enough, I will do 3 kills or perhaps more or something else that you guys want me to do reserved to top. Take care.